Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Fan Blade, part number 53044766059. The Frigidaire Fan Blade, part number 53044766059, is a replacement part for Frigidaire air conditioners and other cooling appliances. This fan blade is designed to fit specific models of Frigidaire air conditioners and other cooling appliances. It is made of durable plastic and features a 5-blade design that helps to circulate air throughout the appliance. The fan blade measures approximately 8 inches in diameter and has a 3/16-inch center hole. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part, meaning it was designed specifically for use with Frigidaire. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement fan blade for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a damaged or worn fan blade, which can cause the refrigerator to be noisy or not cool properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the fan. 2. Remove the existing fan blade by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Place the new fan blade onto the motor shaft and secure it with the screws provided. 4. Turn on the power to the fan and test it to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.